welcome to EC Electronics. In today's video, we are going to see some fresher job updates from Wipro. So we are going to see some job updates which will be work from home. And also if you are any graduate, you can apply for these posts. Okay. They are not asking any specific qualification or anything, but if you are having any graduation as your qualification, you can apply here. Okay. So we'll be discussing about 3 posts specifically in this video. And later on, I'll be also sharing the Wipro career site link in description. You can check out the other openings also there. Okay. So the first post that we are going to discuss in today's video is infographics designer. Before moving to the details of this post, if you are seeing the channel for the first time, please do subscribe to the channel. Also follow us on our Instagram page. So the first post is infographics designer. So very recently, I have seen some of the comments asking graphic designing based job updates. That is the requirements. Here, all those candidates can apply. The location is Bengaluru is a location. And also these are very recent updates only. Now talking about the job description. So here, infographics, visual designers and content writer is responsible for collaboration with pre-sales consultants, delivery leads, and what you will be doing is you will be making the presentations, graphic designs and all. Okay. Now the responsibilities they have given in very detail. Craft graphic elements means creating of graphic elements, assets and visual treatments that adapt and flow with the requirements of the proposal. Based on the proposal, you have to design and you have to present the elements. Okay. So that is the basic things that you will be doing. Now, talking about the qualification, they have not mentioned any qualification based on this post. If you have done some graphic designing based course or if you have a knowledge in graphic designing, then that will be a privilege. But anyway, the basic qualification is you should be having a graduation. Okay. So that is the first post, which is infographics designer. Second post is analyst relations. So the location here is actually they are recruiting for 2 locations, Gurgaon and Bengaluru. Okay, now here role summary is support implementation of analyst relations plan to enhance the visibility and market perception amongst the leading independent analyst firms. Okay, so you have to do the analytic operations. So that is the role summary. Okay. Also, they have given the purpose of the role, what all things you have to do, everything they have given. Okay. Here also, they have not asked for any specific qualification. If you are having graduation, you can apply here. Okay. So that is the second post, which is analyst relations. Next is procurement operations. The location is Bengaluru. So here, the area of influence they have given PRPO, contracts, data analytics, supplier onboarding to various tools, invoicing process means invoicing process, telephonic call attending, all these things you have to do. Then run analytics and reports, system health check, acquisition adoption, then process guidelines and awareness. So these are the area of influence. Okay. Also, they have given you the role description, what all things you will be doing. Mainly, they are asking for excellent communication skills in English, both verbal and written. Also, you should be having various analytical skills, data mining skills, reporting. So, these are the main requirements. Okay. Here also, they are not asking for any specific qualification. Okay. But you should be having some data reporting and analytic skills. These as the requirement of this post. Okay. So that is the 3 posts we have discussed specifically. Now talking about the other post. So this is the official career site of Wipro. From this site only I have taken these 3 posts. Okay. Now here you can see the various areas or categories in which they are recruiting. There is technology, there is delivery, digital, consulting, and in the next page, there is sales, digital operations and platforms, corporate functions, Aperio. These are the various areas for which they are recruiting. You can explore various areas based on your qualification. Whichever qualification you have done. If you are from an engineering background, you can see the technology related areas. Then if you're from a sales background, you can explore that area, and based on which you can find the openings. Okay, so that's all about today's video. Now, talking about the selection process, here, since these are fresher updates, there will be various stages of selection. First stage will be aptitude test, then reasoning aptitude, analytical reasoning, verbal reasoning, all these areas they'll be covering. Then there will be technical interview. Now, based on the post for which you are applying, there will be technical rounds. Okay. So here, if you are talking about the graphic designer based post, the technical round will be some designing of some templates, or that will be the area. Okay. Then there will be, after the technical rounds, there will be HR interview. Okay. So that is going to be the various stages of selection. Now, in order to apply, what you have to do is you have to click on this icon, which is called apply. And then it will go to a form. Actually, this is a various instructions which you have to read out. You have to give your email ID here, and you have to click on this I accept privacy policy, and then you have to click on this next. Okay. So after you have read out the instructions and after you have given the tick mark, then you will see a page like this. Here you have to first upload your resume. You can actually connect either using Facebook or Google or LinkedIn. You can use any of this account, Microsoft account, any of this account you can link. Then you have to upload your resume, and then you have to fill up these fields. Okay. So this is the application form which you have to fill. Then after filling up all these details, you have to submit profile. Okay. So this is the application form basically you have to fill. Only basic things they are asking: your name, first name, last name, your email ID, then address, then employee ID. If you are, means if you have employed previously, you have to give your details. Then your educational details, work experience details, then description, reason of leaving, means if you have worked previously. Okay. Then preferences, time zone, then submit profile. Okay. So this is the application form which you have to fill up. So that's all about today's video. We have seen various posts from Wipro. If you are interested, you can apply for any of these 3 posts, or you can explore more openings in the official career site of Wipro. Okay. So a lot of people do ask me regarding these job updates from Wipro, Accenture, all these companies. So that's why I am trying to bring up maximum updates as possible. So if you found these videos useful, please do give it a thumbs up. Also share with your friends. And if you want more videos, please do subscribe to the channel, support the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.